This entire animation was made with free AI tools. No 3D software, no animation skills, and no experience. But here's the problem. 90% of AI animations fail because of one mistake: character inconsistency. One scene looks incredible, then suddenly your character changes in the next shot. In this video, I'll show you a simple, proven workflow that keeps your characters consistent from start to finish and lets you create studio-quality cartoon animations using only free tools. Why this matters. If you've ever tried AI animation before, you already know the frustration. You generate one perfect image, then the next one looks like a completely different character. That's not an AI limitation, that's a workflow problem. Once you fix the workflow, everything changes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock character identity, build full animated stories, create clean, watermark-free animation, and do it all without guessing. Let's start.
This mountain is so big and beautiful.
I love exploring with you.
Wow, what is this egg? It feels special. We must protect it.
You'll be safe here. We will take care of you.
It's a baby dinosaur! He's so small and cute!
You're growing so fast. You're part of our family. Thank you for taking care of me.
Be happy and free. We will never forget you.
All right, let's get started without taking too long with the introduction of the video. First, we will go to this file and copy the prompt. I will place it below the video so anyone who wants to create similar videos can use it for free. Then I'll copy it and open ChatGPT like this. Paste the prompt and press Enter. After that, we wait a few seconds. As you can see, ChatGPT generates the entire story from beginning to end. It also provides the prompts we will use, including the 3D text-to-image prompts and the 3D image-to-video prompts. These prompts will allow us to create all the images for the story and then animate them. For every scene and every stage, we will receive 2 prompts, and by following them, we will complete all the details of the story without guessing. Now we will take the first prompt for scene 1. As you can see, to generate the image, we click here to copy the prompt, then go to a website you already know very well called Leonardo.ai. Leonardo gives free credits every day. We paste the prompt here, choose 16:9 for long-form videos, select 4 images, choose the Phoenix 1.7 model, and click Generate. As you can see, Leonardo.ai is now creating our images. Next, we return to ChatGPT to copy the second prompt for scene 2 in the same way. Then we paste it again into Leonardo. Look carefully at the quality and detail of the images, and most importantly, notice that the character remains consistent across all scenes. You can simply choose the image you like best. We repeat the exact same steps for scene 2, scene 3, and all the remaining scenes. I'll copy the third prompt now, and again, observe how perfectly consistent the characters are throughout the entire story. This is the most important part, knowing how to structure prompts to preserve character consistency. I'll continue generating the rest of the images and then move to the next step, which is turning these images into videos using another tool. Now that we have all the images, take a look at their quality, detail, and overall consistency. Everything is aligned and visually cohesive. For step 3, we go to the next website. I will also place all the tool links in the video description below. First, return to ChatGPT and copy the image-to-video prompt for scene 1. This 3D to video prompt includes the dialogue that will appear between the characters. Copy it, then open the video tool after signing up with your email and click Imagine. Paste the prompt and upload the first scene image. The tool will now convert that image into a talking animated video with lip sync and dialogue. Wait while the video is generated. We repeat the same workflow for every scene. Upload the image, paste the corresponding prompt from ChatGPT, and generate the video. As you can hear and see, the video quality is very high, and the dialogue is synchronized perfectly with the characters. For scene 2, we again copy the second image to video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the tool, and upload the second image. If the generated video appears without dialogue, simply click the edit area, add a short instruction requesting dialogue, then go back to ChatGPT, copy only the dialogue lines from that scene, paste them into the prompt field, and regenerate the video. This will fix the issue and produce the correct version with speech. We follow the same fix for scene 3 and any other scene where dialogue is missing. Paste the dialogue from ChatGPT and regenerate. Once done, the videos will be consistent, high quality, and fully voiced. You can also upscale any clip using the upscale option inside the tool to improve resolution even further. Now we move to the final step, editing in CapCut. After downloading all the videos created with the tool, open CapCut and click Create Project. Import all your clips and place them in the timeline in the correct order: Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and so on. Once everything is arranged, go to Transitions and choose a transition that fits your video. Apply it between scenes, adjust the duration slightly, then click Apply to All so it is used across the entire video. Next, go to Effects and add an effect that matches the style. For example, you can search for fire to give warmth and cinematic energy to the scenes. Apply it across the full video. Then add captions by going to Captions, selecting English as the video language, and generating auto captions. Adjust the style to make them clean, readable, and engaging. And that's everything for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, support us by sharing the video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.
This mountain is so big and beautiful.
I love exploring with you.
Wow. What is this egg? It feels special. We must protect it.
You'll be safe here. We will take care of you.
It's a baby dinosaur! He's so small and cute!
You're growing so fast. You're part of our family. Thank you for taking care of me.
Be happy and free. We will never forget you.